Smash! From this corner to there, you can do reverse straight slice. So you set on the way and show him straight, telling him by your body posture, you are going to hit straight. Yeah. And then when you hit, turn it, cross. Straight, cross. And then racket goes cross. So you slice your shuttlecock straight, cross. So your body turns, your body adds action smash, your racket turns, but shuttle goes straight. Why you slice it? Number one, your racket goes wrong way. You are trying to make your opponent to follow your racket. Because you slice it, shuttle goes shorter. Still, you can make action faster.